Do you sometimes feel like your mind is playing tricks on you? Well, it turns out that your mind can do much more than tricks. It can heal your body too. And the crazy thing is, there's science to back it up. When you think about healing, you might picture potions and spells, but really, your mind has superpowers. We all have an inner healer, a biological computer that runs around the clock to keep us alive and kicking. This inner healer has the ability to help you recover from injuries, fight off infections, and even cure diseases. Yes, diseases. But how does it do this? Well, by controlling your emotions. That's right. Your mind can help heal your body by changing the way you feel. Your thoughts can change the balance of hormones in your body, which affects how your body works. And these changes can be big or small, like helping you fall asleep or recovering from a broken bone. So let's take a deeper look at how this works. This is the placebo effect in action. When you believe something will make you feel better, your mind starts working to make it happen. This happens whether the treatment is real or fake. For example, if you take a pill that looks like it could be medicine, your body might start healing faster. Even if it's just a sugar pill, when you think you're taking medicine, your body responds as if it were being treated. This is because your brain tells your body how to react based on what you think you're taking. So your brain is like the boss of your body. It gives orders to your body based on what it thinks is happening. If your brain thinks you're taking medicine, it sends signals to your body to start healing. These signals are like messages that tell your body to make changes. For example, they can tell your body to make more white blood cells to fight an infection or to make proteins that help heal broken bones. So, the placebo effect is like a superpower that you have inside of you. It can help you heal from injuries and fight off diseases. All you have to do is believe that something will make you feel better and your body will start working to make it happen. But how does this work? How can just believing something will make you feel better actually make you feel better? Well, it turns out that our brains are really powerful. They can trick our bodies into doing all sorts of things just by sending the right signals to them. For example, when we think we're in danger, our brains send signals to our bodies to release adrenaline and other hormones that prepare us to fight or flight. And when we think we're relaxing, our brain sends signals to our bodies to relax and calm down. So it's really our beliefs and expectations that shape how we feel and how our bodies work. And this is all thanks to the power of suggestion. Our brains are constantly taking in information from the world around us, and they use this information to form beliefs and expectations about what will happen in the future. For example, if we see a snake, our brain might send signals to our body to be afraid because we expect that the snake might bite us. Or if we see a delicious piece of cake, our brain might make our mouth water because we know that it will taste good. These beliefs and expectations can also affect how we feel physically. If we think we're going to get better after taking medicine, our brains might send signals to our bodies to start healing. Or if we think we're going to feel worse, our bodies might not heal as quickly. So basically, our brains are like little scientists. They gather evidence from the world around us and then use that evidence to form beliefs and expectations about what will happen in the future. These beliefs and expectations can affect how we feel and how our bodies work. And this is the placebo effect in action. So let's look at an example of how the placebo effect can work to heal your body. Let's say you have a cut on your finger. You put on some antibiotic cream and cover it with a bandage. As you wait for it to heal, you might think about how painful it was when you first got the cut and worry about how long it will take to heal. If you have these thoughts, your body might respond by making it harder for the cut to heal. Why? Because your thoughts can affect the balance of hormones in your body, which can affect how your body works. On the other hand, let's say you have the same cut on your finger and you put on the same antibiotic cream and cover it with the same bandage. As you wait for it to heal, you might think about how quickly this cut will heal. You might even say to yourself, "Wow, this cream is really working." If you have these thoughts, your body might respond by making it easier for the cut to heal. Again, your thoughts can affect the balance of hormones in your body, which can affect how your body works. In this example, the placebo effect is the difference between how quickly your cut heals depending on your thoughts. If you think it will heal slowly, it might take longer to heal. If you think it will heal quickly, it might heal faster. So basically, your thoughts can affect how your body works. They can affect how quickly you heal from injuries and how well you fight off diseases. In fact, there have been studies that show that people who have positive attitudes and beliefs tend to have better health outcomes. For example, people who are optimistic and have a positive outlook on life tend to live longer and have better health. And people who are pessimistic and have a negative outlook on life tend to have worse health outcomes. So, if you want to use the placebo effect to improve your health, you need to have positive thoughts and beliefs about your health. This might be hard at first, but over time, you can train your brain to think positively by practicing gratitude, optimism, and mindfulness. And the cool thing is that you don't have to fake these thoughts and feelings. Once you practice them long enough, they can become natural and automatic. So the more you practice positive thinking, the easier it will become, and the more you will reap the benefits. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool, and you can use it to improve your health and well-being. Just focus on having positive thoughts and emotions, and you'll be on your way to feeling better in no time. Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in next time for more health and wellness tips. Until then, stay healthy and happy.